Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, what are the commands for installing and starting Jenkins? Let me answer. We have to use the same command for installing and starting the Jenkins. So in my machine at present, Jenkins is not installed. So for the first time when I run this command will help me in installing Jenkins. Later, after you install Jenkins, again, when you use this command, it will start the Jenkins. I'll show you the entire process in a practical way. For that, I'll go to this downloads folder where this jenkins.war file is already downloaded from the official website of Jenkins. Okay. So in the previous questions, as part of the answer for the previous questions, I answered how to download this jenkins.war file from the official website. Okay. So fine. Now here, I'll select the path and type cmd where this jenkins.war file is available. That path I will select and type the cmd command and press enter so that this command prompt will launch at this location where the jenkins.war file is available. After that, at this location, you have to write java -jar jenkins.war. Okay. This is a command that I was talking about for installing Jenkins. Now press enter. You see, Jenkins will now install. It will not start, rather it will install. For the first time when you use this command, it will install. At the default port number 8080, it's going to install. So it will give you a password to set up. Okay, for setting it up. Okay, for setting up Jenkins, a password will be given to you, or you can also get the password from this location also in your computer. So first, we know that Jenkins will run at this 8080 port number. For that, I'll open the browser. Once you open the browser, simply say localhost colon 8080 and press enter. In a while, it will take you to the page where you have to enter this password for unlocking the Jenkins. Okay, let's wait for that page to appear. So it's still loading. Let's wait. Okay, please wait while Jenkins is getting ready to work. Your browser will reload automatically. Just let's try refreshing it. Yeah, now you got the unlock Jenkins screen. Sometimes this screen will come directly. Other times you have to, refresh the browser until this comes. Here we have to provide the administration password that is given here. Either you can copy from here or you can go to this location. See users. I'll prefer that going. See drive, users folder. In that username folder, in that .jenkins folder, and in that secrets folder, in that initial admin password, right click, open with, and select an option like normal notepad and say just once, and you will get the password to copy. Okay, this is a password without any giving any spaces, without copying spaces. Just copy this password and simply come back here and paste it here and just continue. Okay, so this will install Jenkins, and as part of Jenkins installation, it will ask you to install the suggested plugins. I'll select install suggested plugins. It will take a while to install the plugins. Let's wait for 1 or 2 plugins to get installed. After that, I'll just pause the recording and resume once all the plugins get installed. You see, 2 of the plugins out of all the plugins got installed with this tick mark. Let me pause the recording and resume it once all these plugins got installed. As you can see, all the plugins got installed, and I just need to create an admin user. Like I'll give a username like Arun Muduri, and I'll give a password. I'll confirm the password and I'll give a full name. Okay. Then save and continue. I have to even give an email address which was hiding here. I have to scroll down to find this email address. I'll give my email address and save and continue. The admin account will be created and Jenkins will be defaultly running on the 8080 port number. Save and finish. Now start using Jenkins. We'll get logged in to Jenkins dashboard. This is how we can install Jenkins. Okay. Actually, here the Jenkins is actually running. But what I will do here is I'll just close this command prompt and refresh this page. Now you see Jenkins will not be accessible here. If the command prompt is not there, you'll get this kind of site can't be reached. Okay. Now I have closed that website URL also. Now, if I want to start Jenkins, till now I have showed you the command for installing Jenkins. But if I want to start Jenkins also, I have to use the same command. The Jenkins is already installed. The same command will be used for starting the Jenkins. Okay. Now the Jenkins is actually in a closed state. So again, select this path where jenkins.war file is available. Type cmd. The command prompt will launch at this location where the jenkins.war file is available. Now type the same command java-jar jenkins.war, the file name with extension. Okay, press enter. This time, the same command will be used for starting the Jenkins. Okay, someone asks you what are the commands. They are intentionally trying to trick you, asking for different commands for installing and starting, but actually in real, there is only one command for either installing the same command we have to use, for starting also the same command we have to use. Okay. Let's wait for the Jenkins to start and get fully up and running. Jenkins is fully up and running. So hope guys, you understood how to install and start Jenkins. If the Jenkins is running here, you can again open the browser, say localhost 8080. It will take you to that login page of Jenkins. And that proves that Jenkins has started running. You say sign in page, and I have to give the username that I have given for the admin account and password. I remember it as 12345 and sign in. I'll be able to log into Jenkins. Let's wait for the Jenkins to get logged in. Okay, we are being taken to the dashboard page. That means we got logged in. Okay, log out. So hope guys, with practical demonstration, you got the answer for this question. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.